What is going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and it is happening. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard the news, but Elon is officially buying Twitter on Friday, and we received a delisting notice where Twitter will get delisted from the New York Stock Exchange by this Friday. So I'm sure every Twitter invested that bought the dip at anything sub $54.20 is ecstatic. You guys can see that it was 1% up during normal trading hours, and it is up 1% during aftermarket hours. I don't know if you guys saw that tweet, but Elon walked in with a sink into the Twitter headquarters, and he was like holding a sink, and then he was like, let that sink in, of him walking into, I don't know, it's, I guess, more of a dad joke than anything. But it's going viral on Twitter. Just wanted to keep you guys up to date. Also wanted to talk about Meta platform earnings. But even before we talk about that, I want to talk about the economic reports that are set to be released tomorrow. I feel like everyone now is talking about earnings, but let's not shift or ignore these very important economic reports. The first one that I'm going to be talking about is tomorrow, Thursday, October 27th. There is a GDP report that is going to be released, and we have the expectation of a 2.3% increase. Now, again, right now, bad news is good news and good news is bad news. So I'm not going to be live streaming this. Please, with all due respect, I feel like all I've been doing has been uploading a bunch of videos, right? I trade live every morning with my Learn Plan Profit group. I upload on YouTube. I've been live streaming the earning reports, and then I upload these other videos. So I love making these videos for you guys, but you know, my days are getting very, very just choppy with all these videos. But I wanted to do my job here on YouTube and making you all aware of the GDP report, which is one of the most important things, and then also the durable orders that's going to be released 1 hour before the stock market opens. This is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. If you're in California or if you're in Arizona like myself, that is going to be at 5:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time or Pacific Standard Time. So just want to make sure that you guys are aware of that. What companies are reporting earnings tomorrow? Apple and Amazon. This week was the biggest week for tech earnings, and that is the tech giant. One of the largest market caps that we have out there is Apple with a $2.4 trillion market cap. Apple, again, is set to report earnings just based off of how everything is being reported. Meta today is down. I don't know if you guys saw this. Meta Platforms is down 19% after market hours. We live streamed it on this YouTube channel, and we did pretty good, right? I ended up taking a position. I closed out my position for those that didn't see it. So I closed out my position for SQQQ. So it was a nice recovery from my loss on Monday. But then I also took a little small position on TQQQ, and I made $900, almost $1,000 there. Sometimes it's I feel like people don't get as excited for me when I have a smaller trade, but 2015 Ricky would have been very excited. $1,000 day, even just on this trade alone, is significant. So don't be afraid to celebrate even those small winners, right? So Meta Platforms reported earnings. Let me go ahead and show you those earnings if you did not see them. Their earnings per share were missed by 11.32%, and their revenue was exceeded by 1.15%. So overall revenue was good, but the overall expenses came in higher than expected. You have to understand, expenses has been a thing at least for the previous 3 to 4 quarterly earnings for Meta Platforms. Ever since that they transitioned into this metaverse, they've been burning through a lot more money than they normally have, right? So overall, it's still a high revenue machine. Meta Platforms it is. So it's not a dead company. They're just investing a lot of money into the metaverse. So if the metaverse ends up really panning out, it's no question that Meta Platforms can 10x from where it's at right now. But if it doesn't pan out, then for this past year that they've been dumping billions and billions of dollars, it's going to be a tough loss to recover from, and then getting back to that previous valuation. So just wanted you guys to be aware of this. I'm going to keep you guys up to date on everything and anything Apple and Amazon. Okay, so these two report earnings tomorrow. It's going to be after the market closes. So in about 5 to 10 minutes after the market closes, these companies report earnings, and then about an hour and a half to 2 hours after, they have their earnings call. So those are two different things. There's the earnings report, and then they have their earnings call, and that could either help or even further, damage whatever it is that they end up reporting. So stay subscribed to the channel, drop a thumbs up on this video. I will do my part in keeping you up to date on how the market opens, making sure that you understand market expectations for Apple and Amazon. And also I will be live streaming that quarterly earnings report. So again, like I said, all you literally have to do is subscribe to the channel, and I will take it from there. I will make it easier to understand. That's my whole purpose here on YouTube, is to make it a little bit easier for you to understand and to, provide an experience for you guys that, is a little bit more enjoyable, as we all know that trading can be, a little lonely. So very excited for, regardless of, if the market's bullish tomorrow, if the market is bearish, I really don't care. I just really hope that tomorrow direction is clear. So if it's bullish, I'll go into TQs. If the market's bearish, I'll go into SQs. We all know that we do not care. I do not care. The only people that care and the only people that complain when the market pulls back or when the market pushes up are those that did not prepare, right? Because anyone that did prepare, anyone that has cash to buy into whichever way the market ends up choosing to go, is happy, right? Because we have clear direction, we have clear opportunity. The only people, the trolls, the people that complain about the markets against them, are the people that simply hoped and did not prepare. Remember, the stock market is not like a job, right? It's not something that you go into hoping something for it to happen, right? You wait for confirmation, you stay patient, you watch that position size, and your job is not to avoid risk. Your job is simply to manage it. And this is something that we cover every single day within our live trading session. So again, I trade live every single morning. If you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, I only offer one thing. It's my Learn Plan Profit group, and it's the second link in the description. So if you want to watch me trade live, if you want to work with me on a closer basis, second link down below. Friendly reminder, we are giving away free flags like the flag you see behind me. They're trading flags, and they're all available at shoptechbuds.com. It's the fourth link in the description. It's with every order today. So if you buy anything at all, just add your favorite flag to your order. You can pick up one of these Wall Street flags, and you get it automatically for free at checkout. So you can see free flag again with every order today, and that ends tonight, and that's at shoptechbuds.com. So we really do appreciate you guys' time. I am using the Webull trading platform. If you want to download this and earn up to 12 free stocks, you do have to use my link, and you do have to deposit at least $1. It is a free US only trading application. It's both available on desktop and mobile. And if you want to download it and earn up to 12 free stocks, just deposit $1, and that's that fifth link in the description. I appreciate you guys' time. If you have any questions, feel free to direct message me via Instagram, and that's that third link in the description. And friendly reminder, I am verified on Instagram. That is my only Instagram account. I have nothing else. I don't have WhatsApp. I don't have Telegram. I will never message you first. If you ever receive a message from me asking, hey, what's up? Or, do you want to invest into my crypto or Forex fund? Just know that that is not me. I don't offer anything other than my Learn Plan Profit group. So if you want to watch me trade live, great. That's what I offer. Anything else, if they ask you for anything else, I'm telling you, it's not me. Okay, so I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that earned your thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow for the Apple and Amazon earnings. I'm excited to see if we can break this curse that tech earnings has this week. But regardless of which way the market ends up choosing, we will be prepared. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.